welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the shift lever, how to get that shift lever out of park if it is stuck in park. If it's stuck in park, I am going to show you how to get it out of park if it's stuck. So let's get to it, let's do it. Okay, if you cannot shift your car out of park and you don't know what's going on, well, here's how to fix it. This is all dirty, so don't worry about it. Anyway, so you turn your car off, you hold in the brake, get a flathead screwdriver, and take this off. Take this right here off, and then you hold in the button that's behind this cover, and you'll be able to shift into gear. Alright, have a great day. Make sure you have your parking brake set and the engine is off and there's no way for the vehicle to roll anywhere in case something happens. But something, I mean, it's stuck in park, the little override mechanism here, the lock mechanism. So if something's wrong with it, so what you're doing is overriding it by taking this part off and holding that button in, and that will override the locking mechanism in there, which will make you be able to shift it into gear. Alright, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day.